Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Today I'm going to be doing this fresh and flirty pink look that I think is soft and romantic, and it's great for upcoming holidays such as Valentine's Day, and it's also great for upcoming seasons of spring and summer. It's just this really romantic and sweet look. So if you are interested in seeing how I went ahead and created this look, stay tuned and watch the tutorial. But before we get into it, I do want to just point out that I'm wearing the cutest earrings today. They're these heart safety pin earrings, and I've actually been looking, I think I've seen it like on some sort of celebrity or influencer, and I had been looking for something like that. And these are by the Lucky brand, and I just think they're really cute, and they go really well with this whole theme of creating this sweet and romantic look. So yeah. I just want to share these with you. And also, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm continuously building up this channel and trying to come up with new fresh looks for Monolids. And I'm also going to be creating some content that's not related to beauty tutorials, just to branch out and create some more diverse topics. So yeah, I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So please hit subscribe if you haven't done so. The first step, as with any other tutorial, is I start off by prepping and priming the face. If you want to know about the products and the process, please go ahead and check out a previous video. I do go over everything there. And next step is I start priming the lids with my trusty Urban Decay Primer Shadow Potion. And after that, I'm going to start diving into the eyeshadows. So for this look, I'm actually, again, going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I've used it in a previous video, but there's this really pretty sparkly pink shade that I think is very bright and very appropriate for this look. So I am actually going to first start off though, however, with brushing on a foundational color all over the lid. So I'm going to go in with Famous, this really sparkly gold color. And after that, I am going to go in with the really sparkly pink color that I had mentioned. It's called New Money, and it's just this really gorgeous, bright pink fluorescent color that I think really translates well for this kind of look. Just going to get that closer to the lash line and kind of color outside the lines as I usually do to create this V shape. And I'm going to bring some color down to the bottom. And I know, well, I don't know if this is with everybody, but for me, whenever I'm using some fluorescent color, I always kind of have a fear that if I put too much, it's going to make me end up looking like I'm sick or whatnot, especially, for example, with red eyeshadow and whatnot. So I tend to mix in some brown colors so that it kind of doesn't takes that really bright shade down a notch and neutralizes the color. So that's a trick I usually do. Okay, so I'm going to bring some more of the pink New Money color down to the lower lash line, and I'll neutralize it out with some brown shades shortly so that it's not super overwhelming. Okay, and then now I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of the eyes and the upper thirds of the eyelid to create this widened dewy eye look. So this whole palette overall is super shimmery, and there are many different highlighting options, but I tend to like the Dripping Diamonds one. I think that one looks really good. So just going to get it into the inner corners, bring it up a bit to the upper thirds of the eyes. And while I'm at it, going to highlight my brow bone and highlight the outer corners of the eyes. And in keeping with what I just mentioned, I want to go in actually with Classy and Sassy, this kind of light brown color, and bring it to the lower lash line so that the whole like pink color doesn't look super overwhelming. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to go ahead and line the eyes with a combination of Clinique Easy Liquid Lining Pen and also with the Stila. Those are my two favorite ones. Just drawing it out into this extended liner. Okay, now that I have finished lining the eyes, I'm going to be doing something I do in all my videos, which is tracing over the liner with a sparkly green color. I'm using Stash by Urban Decay 24/7 glider. It just helps, I think, not make the line very harsh, because with monolids you often have to draw a thicker line so that it's visible. So it just helps diminish the harshness of it and softens up the look a bit. Okay. And then now I'm going to go ahead and apply the mascara. So I'm going to go in with my Shiseido curling eyelash curler, and then also with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in waterproof. I pointed out going in with a brown color of Classy and Sassy, but also you can go in with Living Lavish, which is like this plum color. I think just darkening it up a bit on the bottom is going to make your eyes kind of forego that effect of looking like you're sick. So I'm going to now go in with my blush. I'm going to go in with the Sweetheart Perfect Flush Blush by Too Faced. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter. So I'm going to go in with the Mary Luminizer highlighter. And then now for the lipstick or the Lippie, I have a couple of options and I'm actually feeling like a bronze shimmery color. I don't think you really need to worry about overdoing it. Maybe if you go in with a bold red lip, the fluorescent pink eyeshadow plus the bold red lip is really going to create this overwhelming look. So I don't know, anytime I kind of deviate from my normal makeup routine, I tend to kind of balance things out with a lighter or neutral shade of lipstick, but I think it's actually fine if you do want to do something bold. It's not a super dark and heavy eyeshadow look, but I'm actually feeling something more bronze and shimmery, just personally, so I'm actually going to go in with my Lancome lipstick that I forgot I had. It's called Oh My Shimmer. It's just this pretty bronze color. There you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's just this great romantic pink eyeshadow look that is great for a lot of upcoming holidays like Valentine's Day. It's just like soft, subtle, sweet look. And it's also great for upcoming spring and summer looks. It's just really fresh and flirty. But yeah, so this is a finished look. I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Bye.